We have a biotech update. ICPT was one of the biggest biotech moves I have ever seen in my whole life, and that's about 30 years with markets. And never ever do we get a move like this. I mean, I'm just going to say that this stock on 12/1, and I'm featuring it. You know why? Because December 1st of year 2013, the stock was at $52 on the low, and it spiked in this monthly area clear up to the high of this was $497. I have a lot of live updates that I've done, and I have. And one of the ones that we said was that biotech companies like this one has a lot of risk. I just want you to know that it's been one of our best trades of the year. And so we're highlighting it for that reason. And basically, we have come down considerably. There has been some news out that's not favorable. It will be a buying opportunity at some time. If you had to put options like we did, you made a fortune. And then this is a monthly level. The stock is broke, and it's all the way back down in here, and it's tested where this price level was, right around 123.77. What I am saying is it will have its up-day volatilities. It did that for several months that we've been watching the stock and trading the stock. I'm just letting everyone know that we're going to get down to levels where we will get trading support levels for buys and for sells. But once again, they need to get the FDA approval back with them. And once they do, in calendar 2015, this will be another big stock that will trade who knows how high. No one could ever believe that you were going to shoot right up here on a monthly chart in the month of December. Well, hey, that's how it was. And right now, we're going to get ready for a new calendar year in ICPT. Okay? And there it is. So, it's been a great trading vehicle. Get on board at the right time. And we're going to cover some more biotech stocks after this. But listen, this is something that we're going to stay on at every market opening bell or closing bell or midday. It doesn't matter. There will be another series of news. We're going to get news on it, and it's going to make it pop. It's going to have some great trading range in it on a daily level. And just to give you an idea on that level, here's what I'm talking about on ICPT. I'll just put it in here for a daily so you can see it. When the news hit, it was here. And this is a daily chart. And then we started with a huge gap down that we broke this major support level right there. Then we went down and we went sideways daily on narrow range volume. And we end up making a low. So let me show you the low, MMT, and our worldwide traders. I'm so excited about this trade. The low here was 128.50 right here. We traded up so far to the Friday, and the high was 144. And this is a daily chart. That's a 10-day simple moving average. That line right here, the red line, that's a 20-day simple moving average. I will also point out that if you really take a look from where the gap down was, I'm going to do something with you. So that price on the high was 252. Now hold on. MMT is what I would like to point out to you right up here at $252 down here to the low MMT to 128.50. That was, my friends, 124 points that was taken out from this 3-day rally, we went from 128.50 now to the high here 3 days later on 12/5 was 144.79. Now let me tell you this. MMT, again, we came off of 128.50 to 144. That's a $16 move all day long. And that was a 3-day cycle. So we are going to be covering it. There's a lot of money to be made. Could the stock go lower from here? Absolutely. But right now, we have to take into consideration the intraday volatility is all we're going to trade. Because why? With that big of a drop, and I'm just going to show you right now. When we start getting into areas like right here on this bar, it's a public thing that they call a moving average convergence divergence. That thing here was minus, believe it or not, 24.07. And moving average convergence divergence is a public indicator that the public uses. Our system is not a public one. We're market makers, but this is what they look at. And we will say, until there's another news environment that could take the stock all the way back down to $50, and it could. It just depends on what those updates are going to be. But for us, we're just going to trade it like we always do. We're going to get in at the bottoms and sell into it. That's the 10-day. That is the 20-day. And it's simple moving averages. When you look at ICPT, I mean, we're so excited about this. And we're excited about this not just for this month, but we're excited about this in 2015 and 2016 and going out where? To 2017. ICPT.